Hey everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny and welcome back to my kitchen table. I just got back from the Dollar General, which I affectionately call the DG, and I came home with one of the best deals I've had in a long time, and I wanted to share it with you guys because you really seem to like the video that I posted last Sunday. Well, last Sunday it was too late to go and mimic the deals that I got last week. So I thought today that I would post a video on Saturday after I got home from the Dollar General so that if you wanted to go and mimic the deal that I got, you could do that. So, let me get started. First, let me tell you what I got. I got 2 packages of all laundry detergent. I got a bag of Purina cat chow. I got a box of Arm & Hammer cat litter, some Dawn dish soap, and some Bic Comfort 3 razors. These were on sale for $3.95 a bag. And that's a pretty good deal for Dollar General. They're usually about $4. Actually, they're usually $5, but sometimes they have them 2 for $8. The Comfort 3 razors were on sale for $3.25. And I think that's the only things that were on sale. Other than my clearance items that I've got back here, I'll share those in a minute. So the total for all of this before my coupons was $25.15. I had a $4 off coupon for 2 of these all laundry soaps. I had a $2 off coupon for the Purina cat chow. I had a $3 off coupon for the cat litter, a 50-cent coupon for the dish soap, and a $3 coupon for the razors. That's a total of $12.50 in coupons. $12.50 off of $25.15 is $12.65. Today happens to be the day that you can use the coupon for $5 off a $25 purchase at Dollar General. Well, that $5 comes off the initial total, not the total after the coupons come off. So they basically stack it. So I had $12.65 left, and $5 off of that made this deal $7.65. That made each one of these items $1.27.5 a piece. Now, if you don't think that's a deal, I'm sorry. It is. It's an amazing deal. These are 1970s prices as far as I'm concerned. So I was happy to go buy them. The second transaction I did, I had a coupon for $2 off when you buy Pond's products. But you had to spend $7. So I did. These were $3.95 a piece. And I got $2 off of these. I also got these cute little stackable containers to put snacks in for my grandbaby or my children. And I figured I could put cookies in them, or when I buy candy, put it in there and have it sitting here in the kitchen somewhere where they could easily access it when they want a snack. But the regular price on these was $2.50, and they were half off, so they were $1.25 a piece. But the star of this show is this deal right here. And I really want to encourage everybody to go ahead and download the app and hit your Dollar General every Saturday and get these kinds of deals, because I'm telling you, they will save you money. My husband and I, in October, sold our house. I'm sure y'all know that. Some do, some don't. We moved into a smaller home, and that home is saving us $400 a month just in the rent. Our mortgage on the other house was about $1,200 a month, just a little over. That's not including the electricity that we're going to save. This house here that we're living in now is 700 square feet smaller than my other house. So we're saving on electricity, we're saving on gas, we're saving on just about everything except maybe water, because we still do the same amount of laundry, and there's still the same amount of people using the hot water. We've decided to live a more frugal lifestyle and start stashing money in the bank so that my husband can retire early. He has a pretty crippling form of arthritis, and we really don't know how much longer he'll be able to work. And we don't want to have to depend on Social Security or going through our 401k or what have you. We want to be prepared. So that's what we're trying to do, is just prepare. If he can work another 20 years, fine, he can do that. I don't want him to have to, though. We're making this sacrifice so that when we are in our golden years, that we will have enough. And I mean, we've been contributing to the 401k all along, but we just want to pad that quite a bit. And by the time we retire, we want to be debt free, and we basically are right now. We're basically debt free. We have a few small bills, but we don't have any car payments. We don't have the mortgage anymore, but we are paying rent. We have one credit card, and we have a couple of smaller bills, but these can be paid off quickly. So at the first of the year, I'm going to continue to cook on my channel, and I'm also going to let you guys see our journey through our new lifestyle, because it's going to be a big adjustment, a huge adjustment. We are going to try to live on half of our income, and that's not an easy thing to do when you're used to a certain way of living. So maybe you guys can hold me accountable a little bit for, because I have a tendency to go to the store and just, well, I need this and I need that, and you know, I can get a little carried away sometimes, especially when it comes to stuff that the kids need. But I've got a daughter who's in piano lessons. She's going to continue those. She's also in the band, and that's expensive as well. It costs probably close to $800 to $1,000 a year. My son's going to be in 6th grade next year, and he wants to be in the band too. It'll only cost for the instrument while he's in middle school, but once he gets to high school, then it will start costing considerably more. So we have to prepare for that too. He's in the Boy Scouts, and that's not cheap either. Each camping trip costs about $60, sometimes a little more, sometimes a little less. But now that he's in Boy Scouts, they go camping a lot more than when he was in Cub Scouts. So anyhow, I just thought I'd let you guys know what's going to happen in the new year on my channel. And I will definitely still do some recipes. And hopefully there'll be more frugal recipes, because I probably should cut back on the grocery bill as well if we're going to do this. And let's see by this time next year how far I get. How's that? I don't want to get into the specifics of numbers, because I just don't think that's appropriate. But I can get into specifics when it comes to how much I've saved. To start with, my goal is to try to save $600 a month for the first 3 months. And then I will add to that until it's half of our income. So let's see how it goes, all right? Would appreciate whatever encouragement you guys can offer me. I'd appreciate any kind of tips that you guys can offer me, because again, this is a new lifestyle for us, but we're determined. So this is the first step, is learning how to coupon. Hopefully this coming year can be a huge success. I'm hoping that my YouTube channel can grow. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I put out a video. And honestly, anytime you hit the like button or make a comment, it tells YouTube that you guys are interested in what I have to say. So if you guys could do that for me, it would really help my channel. I started this channel off for my children, but a lot of people, I have almost 120 subscribers now, and it seems like people are interested in what I'm doing here. And as long as you are, I'll continue to post videos. You guys, go ahead and download the Dollar General app. Take a trip over there today and see what kind of deals you can get. I recommend using the high value coupons first. I recommend getting at least $10 worth of coupons together in your deal. That way you're guaranteed to get $15 off of $25 and walk out of there paying $10 plus tax for whatever you're purchasing. And it's easy to do. It's very easy to do. I recommend getting a stockpile, so buy things, even if you don't need something right now, it's worth $10 to stock up on stuff like this. Now, I'll be using this cat litter and this cat food this week. But I've probably got 6 of these in my stockpile. Laundry soap. I probably have 20 packs of razors. And I know 4 bottles of Dawn dish soap. But I don't mind buying more because I go through it and it's not like I won't use it. So y'all go ahead and download that Dollar General app and do a coupon deal and leave me a comment below and tell me how you did. Don't feel bad if it doesn't go the way you want it to right in the beginning, because I made a lot of mistakes the first couple. I've only been doing this about 5 months, and I only started getting really good deals in the past couple of months because it was confusing to me. Now, it might not be confusing to you, but having to do all that math and look for things, and when they're out of stock, you have to kind of find a replacement item with the same value coupon to get the deal that you want. And that was very confusing to me because my Dollar General that I go to on a regular basis, sometimes they're out of just about everything that you want. I've had to travel around and go to different Dollar Generals just to get what I needed, or at least the deal that I needed. I refuse to walk out of Dollar General spending more than $10, and that's just the way I do it now. And you can get there too. You can get there too. Just practice. And look, if your deal doesn't go the way you want to, there is nothing saying that you can't tell the cashier, I'm sorry, this didn't go the way I wanted to. Can you cancel this whole transaction? And they're obligated to do that. You don't have to spend your money there if you don't want to. So go back out, recalculate everything if it doesn't go right. And, after you cancel your transaction, and then come back in and try again. There's no shame in that. I've done it. I can't tell you how many times I've done that. In fact, I did it this morning. It didn't come out right. They wanted $15.90 for one of my purchases, and I said, that's not right. That's not what it's supposed to be. Come to find out, I had not downloaded the 5 off of 25 coupon into my Dollar General account, and that's why it didn't come out. So I went back outside and I did it. But I was so frustrated at that point that I just left and I went to the other Dollar General so I could get this deal. I was really frustrated with myself. I wasn't frustrated with the cashier. I was frustrated with myself for not thinking and not doing everything I needed to do. I've been doing this long enough that it should be second nature to me. So what I'll do at the end of this video is post the regular prices of my items and how much coupons I had and which coupons I used and the final price, okay? And I'll show you my receipt so you know I'm not full of prunes. Anyhow, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys again real soon, all right?